Driving is ghetto. Why y'all like driving? Is it not?
Especially when baby been not play with. She gangsta cute face with. She ain't gon' play. Whole spot gon' shake, nigga. Niggas can't see me like Ray, nigga. And I'm shining like a Ray, nigga. And I can put it on any day, nigga.
Hey y'all, it's Allofdestiny, and this video is sponsored by OMGHERHAIR. So this wig that I'm about to install, first off, super natural, and it is the super fine HD lace. The hairline is already bleached for us, so we have the clean bleached hairline, the adjustable strap, the elastic band is already added. It's 100% human hair, and I'm just excited for y'all to see this wig installed. Like, it turned out so good. Special thank you to OMGHERHAIR for sponsoring today's video. Let's get into it.
So I'm getting ready to go to party bus event for the first time. I've never done that before. Really excited. Do we have enough light? So I'm about to do a wig change. I was wearing a different wig at first, but for the outfit that I'm wearing, I feel like this one looks better. I left everything upstairs, but this wig is by OMGHERHAIR. So I'm gonna keep it in the middle part and keep it straight. That look will be cute. I showered to where my makeup could stay like neat. You know how you touch up your makeup versus starting from scratch? That's what I did. I added in a little more eyeshadow. I bronzed a little bit more. I'm so tired, but I'm trying to keep going, and I'm trying to show up for the people that I need to show up for. I went to a funeral last night. Basically, it was 2 services because he was a bishop for his home, the church that he was the pastor of last night, which was Friday night. And with him being a bishop, he had a jurisdictional homegoing service as well. So that was this morning. I didn't plan on going to the morning one because I didn't want to go to 2 services. But I went with my mom because my dad wasn't going since he couldn't. They were really like close for years. Like, he married my mom and my dad. My bad, this video, I'm starting it off just all sad, but this look good. I'm gonna do the wig grip as well. Now I have to do, not have to, but I don't like to be that friend who doesn't really show up for my friends when needed. Like my friend Corey, he always, like every time I had like a birthday type of gathering type of situation, he's there. So yeah, I'm excited. It's gonna be my first time on a party bus. Never been to a party bus. I'm gonna take the adjustable strap and put this in. I'm trying to give my eyes a break, so I don't have my lashes on yet either. I'm gonna put those back on low in a minute. Not give my eyes a break. I can't get this thing to stay. Why does it keep coming out? So the wig grip basically helps it to really be secure. And you can get wig grips at the beauty supply store. See how you could see the cap at first? Now you can't see it. When I did my other wig, the short curly one that I was wearing, I couldn't find it. Come to find out, it was down here, downstairs. I don't know why I had it tucked away downstairs, because I never get ready down here, barely. Like after my shower, I go upstairs to finish if it's a makeup day. So I'm just gonna flat iron the hair. I had posted for you all to send me some questions, and I was gonna talk about different things, but I'm gonna wait and film that video at a different time because I don't want to rush the quality of what I'm gonna give you all since I'm in a rush, and be on time because we gotta be there at 8:45 for the bus to pull off at 9. This looks so good. Oh my god. To temporarily hold it down, so I'm going to trim around my ear right here so that it is exposed like that, basically. I hope I make it in time. I'm so far away from where I need to be at 8:45. Whew. Let's do this. This hair is so pretty. Why am I using the vlog camera to film this? And I'm gonna want to take it with me on the party bus. I'm tripping right now, but I'll do it in the car. I'm gonna have to take my time. My sister Bone, she's here, her and my nephew. And I should have got Bone to like get the wig out and prep it for me so that all I have to do is sit it on my head and cut off the lace. When I'm rushing and when I'm just doing wigs, period, I always put it on 450 because it's not my hair. It is my hair, but it's not my hair. Whoa, don't fall on me.
So this is a 3-in-1 wig. You can wet this one with water for a curly style, but you can also wear it kinky straight if you use a flat iron or a curler.
It looks so like my hair. More textured, more realistic, not super silky, but it can give like as if I blowed out my natural hair and I got like a good silk press on it, but it's not overly silky. So where it's like, yeah, that's a wig. Like, we know wigs are wigs. We know lace when we see lace. But y'all get what I mean. I'm doing some effortless type of waves, but I'm going to put Flexi Rods in this in the car. And that'll help to give me a little bit of oomph. But I'm gonna make it do what it do, baby. Like, I be wishing I had more helping my life. When people just like get things done for them, like I really should have texted my little sister and been like, hey, could you stop prepping that wig for me? What I was thinking. Oh, that's a pretty one. I did that one pretty. Okay. Yeah, wanna know something I tweeted? I like getting chauffeured. Sue me. Like society has trained us to think that we're supposed to drive for ourselves. I want to sit in the back. I want to be chauffeured. I just want to get in the car, go where I need to go, play on my phone, and then the driver lets me know like, hey, we're here. You're where you need to be. Driving is ghetto. Why y'all like driving? Because I don't. But I also don't want to be chauffeured by someone I don't know. Like I don't do Ubering. Not Ubering, Destiny. I don't Uber, I don't Lyft. But if I know the person, chauffeur me, please. I don't want to drive. It's ghetto. And I need to stop talking and playing. I vowed like 3 or 4 birthdays ago to film these little get ready with me's when you're not really going somewhere, but you're just doing it for the content. Because if I don't leave out in at least 10 minutes, I ain't gonna make it. Not on time to catch this bus. Usually, I don't like nobody. I say nobody. Y'all know what line I really felt? When 𝗦𝗨𝗠𝗠𝗘𝗥 said, and you staring at my comments, fearing it's gonna always be you sharing me with all them. And you staring at my comments, fearing it's gonna always be you sharing me with all them. Wrong. How dare I say no? Preparing for the day what did he say next? You know, temptation and all. It's out here trying to see if my relationship's strong. Part doesn't really need anything. Normally I would take a lot of body, like the foaming one. But I'm gonna use this one instead. When I don't have time to really press it down, I just like wet it right here a lot. Comb it through, and then when you tie it down, it's the same thing as if you pressed it. Oh, that's pretty. I'm finna start wearing yucky type of wigs. I would never do this with my real hair. Just want to put that out there. But it's a wig.
So I'm going to take out a small piece in the front, flat iron that forward, and then trim it for edges.
Oh my god, I meant to do that jagged like. My edge controller. I don't have anything down here. I'm finna cry. Girl, everything else still upstairs. Don't do this to me. I don't want to go back upstairs. Okay. Y'all can't really see me. I don't have much lighting. Hey y'all, it's Allofdestiny. So today is Saturday. I'm tired, but I'm getting ready to go to this little party bus situation as soon as, oh, there they go, I see them. Wait, I gotta go.
I was rushing straight out of the door and I completely forgot to do like my little finishing touches, the little 𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃 clips that I normally do for you all. But I wanted to import this vlog footage just to show you all how the hair looks. It looks really natural. I love the fullness of the hair. So to maintain the curls, basically I take a few flexi rods and just kind of add them in the same direction that I flat iron the hair, and then I take my Humble Glow hair bonnet, and that's how I wear my hair when I shower as well as when I sleep. Or you can just put your rollers in and then take it off. That way your hair will at least be prepped for the next morning. So that's what I do when I do like my glueless methods, if I don't want to like secure the wig all the way to my head with like glue or gel. So if you're someone who's looking to purchase a wig right now and you're looking for versatility, definitely check out OMGHERHAIR, because this one can be flat ironed, curled, and if you wet it, you can wear it in a curly style.
So guys, it's been a few days since I wore the wig, and I actually have my hair in braids now, but I wanted to add a clip to show you all once you wet the hair either with a spray bottle, if the wig is not curling on your head, I would personally just kind of like hover it over the sink and dampen it with some water really quick. Once you brush that through, you can get a wavy look. So it's basically like having more than one wig. So I love this look, especially for summertime. When it dries, it's going to look just like this.
Definitely use coupon code Destiny15 or Destiny10 to save money on your purchase. OMGHERHAIR did amazing with this one.
I think I wore this shirt in a video before, but I like it and I got a washer. Don't talk to me. So this is my ice cream outfit with my hair. I love how this hair looks not like super silky. It's giving like texture. Not texture, but it's giving, I straightened out my natural hair. Ah! I like it. I want to like mold this back down since it's already like 7 o'clock and I'm getting ready to go get ice cream. This is realistic for me. As long as that part is smooth and this stays like that, I'm gonna take it off when I come back from getting my ice cream. So we're gonna just leave it like this. Bada bing, Bata boom.
So for all of my subscribers and all of the girls who want a glueless install, y'all don't got time for the stocking cap method, you don't want to use the glue on your hairline, this is definitely the method for you. Give it a try. Thank me later.
Normally I do like a full look, but you can definitely wear wigs without being somebody who wears makeup. So I wanted to show you all that as well. Happy Sunday fun day. I was gonna do like salad and sunset, but I'm gonna do ice cream and sunset. This hair looks so good. Special thank you to OMG Hair for sponsoring today's video. I will put the coupon code right here on the screen. That way you all can save some money on your purchase. All of the details about this wig are in my description box down below. So definitely check that out if y'all want to shop OMG Her Hair. I love this. It looks so good. I've been getting so many compliments on it. Like, you can tell that it's a wig, but it's giving like, is it not? And I like the length on it as well, because the closer it gets to being super hot, you don't want it to be too long. So I'll talk to you all a little bit later.
And I ain't going for nothing,